Hello all, welcome to Python Summer Camp 2021. I'm happy to see you all in this course. What will you learn in this course? You will learn the fundamental concepts of programming using popular computer programming language called Python. By end of this course, you will be able to design and develop computer game using the fundamental programming concepts. I am Anand Pandian. I will be your instructor for this course. Some of you have met me already in my previous course, Drawing with Python, and I am excited to meet you all in the class. By end of this course, every one of you must be able to write program with Python using the basic concept as sequence, selection, iteration, functions, and data structures. And you will develop your technical skills on using computer code editor, install the Python editor and various modules in the Python, and also you will be able to apply problem solving skills to write your code to solve the problems. And this course has been designed to improve your communication skill and presentation skill. This course is designed into 4 modules. In the first module, we will start with the basic computer programming building blocks such as data types and how to store the data using variables. And we are going to write some interactive programs by reading information from the user and display information to the users. We will also perform some calculation using the simple max operation in this module. In the module 2, we will move from sequence program to program using conditions and loops. You will learn how computer make decisions. For example, how the game is stopped when the time is over. We will also learn how to repeat the same set of instructions using the loops. Most of the computer programs use the selection and iteration structure. In the third module, we will be learning about functions. Python uses many functions to perform the tasks. We will learn some of the commonly used functions, and also we will learn how to create our own function and use them. Most of the computer application uses huge collection of data like list of the contacts that is stored in our mobile phones. We will learn how to store the collection and manipulate the collection in this module. The last module of this course will help you to design and develop computer programming games using the knowledge and skills you learn in the first 3 modules. We will also use graphical user interface to design our games with some graphics, animation and sounds. So next time you can play with your own game with your friends. The course has been structured and designed in such a way that you will gain step-by-step progress. Each module is divided into many lessons, and each lessons there will be a live online class every Monday and Wednesday for 1 hour 30 minutes. In this live class, we will be learning the concept and do lots of hands-on practice and follow along activity. You will also get lab workbook for each lessons that you need to complete and submit by end of the week. There is also a knowledge check quiz for each lessons to see how much you understood in each lesson. Let me take you inside the course shell and show you how the course is organized. So once you open your browser, you need to log into your system. Once you log in, you will be able to see the course and click the course and press the continue button. So this will take you to the course shell, where on your left hand side you will see each module and the lessons, and on the right hand side you will see this whole lesson. So the first part of this course, we have the about this course and module 1, and once we start the course, other modules will be added to the course. In the about this course, in this session you will get all the details about the course, including the details that we are talking now. So here you will know the structure of the course and how it is been designed, how it will be graded, and how to earn your certificate, and how to contact the facilitator, and what is the device requirements. And each module, after you complete each lesson, you click this green button, complete and continue, to continue to the next lesson. And you will see your progress on the progress bar here. And here is a introduction session where we will introduce ourselves to each one of us. So you can use this tool to introduce yourself before you come for the first class. Either you can use the login using your Google account, or you can use the guest password. The guest password is given here. It is hello world. So once you go into the guest password, so in this task you are just going to tell who you are, where are you from, what grade you are studying, and what you would like to do in your spare time. So you can start recording, and this recording can be a maximum of 1 minute. And once you record this, you can check the other friends' recordings and comment on their recordings, like their recordings. So in this way we can know each other who are in this course. So this will be a good ice-breaking session. And we also have the guideline how to get your online course success. So follow this video, watch this video, and follow the point so that you can be successful in the online classes. And then I also have the tool that we will be using to write our code in Python. And now you no need to worry, because in the first module, in the first lesson, we are going to learn how to install this in your machine. So the first module is all about the basics of Python. In the lesson 1, each lesson, as I told you, it has a PowerPoint slide where you will have the PowerPoint slide and have a look on this. And there is a live class schedule. So once you click on this live class, you will see the notice how long you need to wait for the class. And once the class is started, you will be able to enter your name and join the class. And all the live class will be within this shell. You can do your comments during the class, and if you want to ask the question, raise your hand and you will be given permission to ask the question. And after the live lesson, you will be given a workbook where you will have some tasks that is related to what we have learned in this live lesson, and you need to complete this task and submit it before the end of this week. And this will be open and accessible once you finish your live classes. And there will be a knowledge check quiz where you will check how much you have understood, that you have learned from this lesson, and your practice in the workbook. And we will be adding other lessons and modules once the course has been started. And you can go back to the course and to go to home, and you can log out from here. And if you want to change your password, you can click on my profile and change your password from here. Right, now you know the course shell and how to use this course shell. Let us move on how to get your certificate. So this course, we are going to have an assessment that will be throughout the course. So each week you will be given a knowledge check quiz and a workbook where you will submit the workbook and the knowledge check. So knowledge check will be collectively 10%, and all the workbook submission will be collectively 40%, and at the end of this course you will be having a final project which will be 50%. So you will earn a certificate Junior Python Game Developer by passing this course with a grade of 70% or more. And here are the tips for learning the program. The first tip is you need to practice the program by doing the program. Program cannot be learned by reading the books or watching the videos. You need to share the knowledge with your friends by teaching them the new skills. Discuss with your friends about the concept that you learned in the session through our course. Do not be shy to ask questions or doubts. Everyone learns by making mistakes. And we have the video how to be success in the online class. Please watch this video before you start your class. And these are some of the important tips that you need to follow. Use your laptop or desktop to join the class. Do not use your handphone or the tablet, because we are going to use software that is installed in your computer to do our programs. Complete the weekly task, and whenever you can use the course discussion to talk about your issues and get some help. Finally, there is no shortcut for the success. You need to practice and do more practice to be a successful programmer. Thank you, and see you all in the course. Bye.